in other words, some people call it stereotypes. What happened in Aceh is what I know so far. Some people in Great Aceh dislike people from behind the mountain, behind the lonely mountain, right? Or Selawah. So it is maybe it arrives or it comes from their predecessors or their parents. They tell them to maybe their parents lack of knowledge that from they make generalization or they generalize someone's bad habits, and then they tar it with the same brush. Everyone from this area are the same. This is because of the lack of knowledge or the lack of religious knowledge that makes them become narrow-minded or close-minded. And then other issues in Indonesia or in Aceh especially, we tend to discriminate Gayonis, right? Gayo people maybe in general in Aceh mostly people speak Acehnese, but we tend to discriminate people who speak Gayonis because they are not so many, about 10% or so of the population of Aceh. In fact, if we trace back the history, the origin of Aceh people are from Gayo, but because of change of culture, change of people move from other place, so they make change history of language. Like we learn about I learned about psychology, linguistics, how language is formed or shaped, and because of this, we should not discriminate or belittle other people of different race or different religion. That in the end it will cause genocide, like what we see in Myanmar or in China, that they discriminate or they make genocide to Rohingya Muslim or Uyghur Muslim. I think the point is we need to address this situation immediately, and especially the institutions or like schools and universities need to educate students to be to not bully friends, or to bully people of different culture or different race. Start from education and socialization from school and universities. I think that's all for me.
Right, any question?
I'm not sure. I can think that it happened since 20th century.
20th century.
Maybe, around 1960s or 70s or 80s.
Yeah.
That people
why Great Aceh or Banda Aceh people doesn't lie for the beyond the mountain, Selawah mountain? For example, is PD. Why? You know why?
What I know so far,
is that PD stingy?
Stingy people. Stingy people.
No, so many PD people is stingy, Paul. You know what? We have to declaring that. We have to research that. Yeah, generalize.
It happened to all people, but in fact, only a few people. Maybe not all people in that area. Maybe this is the basic nature or fundamental nature of human. Maybe if you are not from that from the people from behind the mountain, but you are here. But we can still see many people from here who have the same nature of stinginess.
So they believe, as Great Aceh people, when Aceh people say PD people is stingy, do you believe that or not?
I believe some people still think like that.
Some people, not all people, right? So we don't have to judge every single people in PD people, right?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you, Mr. Fahmi.
Like I said before, we need to make our education better, because I think many lecturers and teachers forget about how to educate people, how to behave, right? To comport themselves, because this is the main purpose of education, to make people behave, not misbehave.
Yeah.
Knowledge, I think, comes second.
Inshallah.
Manners first. And I think it also happens to some educators and teachers. Maybe a few teachers, not only a few teachers. A couple of teachers still have discriminatory nature towards students. Teachers tend to treat students of a different race. I will treat my student of the same race as me, or the same religion as me. I think we need to address this situation as well. That many teachers or lecturers forget about how to make manners priority.
Got that.
How do we change our, for example, race preferences?
What do you mean, Jake?
Race preferences. Yes. When we are about to meet someone, we don't see them based on their race. How?
It comes back to the person. It depends on the person. If they are open-minded, they can make friends with anyone of different race, different religion. The main thing is to make friends with good people, no matter their race, their skin color, their hair color, doesn't matter. Just be open your mind, because we are humanity. This is not a matter of race, but it's a matter of humanity. No matter how doesn't matter your political leanings, right? I think that's all.
Alright, any question? Alright, one more time, Mr. Fahmi. Do you think marriage the same equal? Is that racist or not?
Marriage.
The same equal.
Oh, marriage of the same.
Equal. This is the same. The racist or not? Example is Teguh with Chut, Said with Sharifah. Poor people with poor people, rich people or rich people. So what do you think about that?
This is not racist. Is it?
Not racist. Not racist at all, right?
It is in our religion.
Oh yeah. Indeed, for Said and Sharifah, yeah, I believe that. So what about Teguh and Chut? Is that religion or not?
It is culture.
Culture, right? It's not racist. Even the blue eyes, black eyes, no? They're not the same.
The main thing is do not speak down.
Yeah, I got that.
Discriminate people.
Yeah.
I think that's the main thing. Never discriminate anyone.
So he's not talking about racist, right?
Yeah, not racist.
Racist just about the skin color, the skin color, right? Yeah, it's a racist. Right? Languages, what about the language?
I think it also happens these days.
Yeah.
What I watch on YouTube, YouTuber from UK.
Yeah, UK.
I forgot her name. She always recently she uploaded a video about how to speak professionally, accent, how to speak
English with Lucy, no.
Yeah, English with Lucy. Yeah.
Oh, I got that.
She was recently.
English with Lucy is my best teacher around the world.
She
you know
was,
what?
How to say? Criticized.
Yeah.
Recently because she want the first thing, she doesn't mean to discriminate any accents, but she in the end what she has taught makes other teachers annoyed. She as if she wanted to
I got
make
that.
this accent more professional,
Yeah.
educated, and intelligent. And if you don't speak this accent, you are unprofessional,
Yeah.
uneducated, unintelligent.
Yeah.
So now she has apologized about
Yeah.
that video. Because
That's
we
great.
don't need to discriminate someone by accent.
Yeah.
Any accent they speak, we have to respect them.
Yeah.
That's the main thing.
As I know until now, Lucy couldn't speak like, American redneck accent. No what?
I got
Very totally difficult to speak like that. You know what? Right.
Well, thank you so much.
All right. Thank you so much for me.